Morning, traders. This is Roger coming to you to present a Friday, the end of the week update. Apologize for not giving updates yesterday. Wednesday's update was included in the webinar, the AM webinar, members only webinar. So I was busy yesterday getting things set up for the new SupDem TS and the dashboard, getting that ready for getting that launched and getting that out to everyone. So, but and then nothing has changed in the past couple of days with the rescue attempts here. So before I get into showing you this, I just want to make a little programming note. I'm going to continue to monitor this until we get to break even. Now, some of y'all might call me hard-headed. Some of y'all might be calling me determined. I tend to believe I am determined to get out of this. So we will continue to let this run, but starting Monday morning, I will start showing you the daily updates of the man versus machine challenge, which will be the 4-hour manual against the 4-hour full auto of the new SupDem TS. I'm pretty excited about those who missed the free webinar Wednesday night. I started a daily setup yesterday, and it is kicking. I'm really excited about the daily setup and the add-ons. So that being said, the 4-hour, it might be challenging, real challenging for this competition here, but we'll see how it goes. So the two positions that we're in, the Euro Aussie, let's see here. You can see that price has been going sideways for about a week now, and but it is starting to hunker down a little bit, come back towards us. So we'll have to just be patient and wait and see what happens here. You can see where price has bounced off this last high right here and touched it and came back. So I have my hopes. Let's look at the other one. Again, that was the hedge, and this is the comebacker. And right now, our margin level is at 674%. So I'm still in an extreme comfort zone with that. And the max equity drawdown has been 2240, and now it's down to only 1723. And some of y'all probably wondering why go through all this. Over the years, I have used stop losses, and yeah, I could have stop lost this, and when it was just down a couple $100, which would have made sense for some of y'all, but I wanted to show you an option of other than using a stop loss, using some tactical techniques, hedging and comebackers, and some rescue techniques to get out of a jam. If you are properly set up as such, having the right account balance and the right lot size that you're trading. So it is what it is, and but like I said, once we get a break even on this, I will shut this down, and we'll concentrate on the man versus machine challenge there. All right, so the Euro US, let's look at that guy real quickly here, and then I want to switch screens and show you a current update on the daily SupDem that I'm running on the other computer here. Okay, this comebacker, it broke the into profit here on the second position here. Now it's retraced a little bit, but it is only down 200 pips right now. Actually, it's only down 100 pips. I think we got about 100 pips to go. 111, 110 pips to go till we get to our break even plus a few. So again, we'll just continue to monitor this and see what happens. So all you doubters out there, hopefully next week you can either say that I was either a stud or a dud. A stud that I had the determination to to make it through, or a dud that I was I don't know, not wise enough in taking the stop loss. But you know, you guys have heard me say in the past that how I just hate stop losses. But with this new daily subdem, let me show you that now. I am actually using becoming a believer in the stop losses with this new system because it's not taking very many. It's especially on the daily charts. All right, so let me pause real quick and I will switch screens. All right, I'm back here. I've switched screens and now we're looking at the daily subdem, and I'm using again 50% target in the add to. The add twos are at 40% of the targeted move and at 60% of the targeted move. I started out with $3,000 and this was started on the 20th. So yeah, Wednesday night. So it's been running for about a day and a half, and it's taken 2 trades. And both trades have taken all 3 positions. So we're in the original position and the 2 add-ons. And it's up 231 pips right now. It's been as high as 373. Now, you know, what I like about the dailies, and I think I posted this on Forex Factory this morning, you know, I'm all about limited market exposure. And there's 2 aspects to market exposure: time that you're in a particular trade, and the number of trades you're in, or number of positions, or number of pairs you're in. So what I like about the dailies, even though your market exposure as far as time is longer than your lower time frames, but the number of trades that you're in at any one time offsets that and reduces your risk of market exposure. So I'm really liking the dailies here. It's like I said, it's already taken the 40% and the 60%, and it is just cooking right along here. So this was now again, as I've been teaching you guys on the manual setups, here's your new moon entry, which this would have gotten in there if I started this in time, but it took the coding in here doesn't recognize the different entries that I've established, the new moon and then the step entries. Of course, it does not do breakouts. So that will be one advantage I might have over the auto setup here, is the 3 different setups. But this is cooking right along. I am excited about this. In fact, I have already switched over completely one of my live accounts to this full auto on the dailies. Let's see, let's look at the US Aussie, or I'm sorry, US yen. And this was a new moon entry right here. And it's already taken its 3rd position, and look, it's almost hit profit there. So yeah, no problem there. I am very excited about this subdem TS. I think it's going to be one of our most popular once people see the potential in it. All right, I also have a Renko set. Renko I just started last night, and that's up. It's cashed in 77 pips so far, and I think I posted the results on that on the Forex Factory. So that completes the daily updates. I hope you guys are all doing well. And I look forward to seeing you guys at the webinars Monday night and Wednesday morning. So we'll talk to you guys soon. Have a great weekend.